Files must be reviewed and approved before they can enter or leave the UK LLC TRE. The file in process is only suitable for documentation and syntax, and the file out process only suitable for research outputs such as graphs and tables containing aggregate information. Any data transferred in or out of the TRE is strictly controlled by the UK LLC team. To request files out, go into the TRE and find the data transfer in-out shortcut on desktop, or enter the URL https://dataout.ukllc.ukserp.ac.uk into Edge browser. Here select Request File Out. Select the files you wish to request out and select your project. Make sure to add a description of your request. If your file out has a statistical component, it will require a double review. This is completed by the Statistical Disclosure team based at UK SERP. Once submitted, your request will be reviewed and you will be notified by email when a decision has been made. Depending on the complexity of your review, this can take several days. If your request is approved, you will receive an email and you can fetch your request by going to portal.ukllc.ukserp.ac.uk and clicking Show File Out Requests. Then click View and download your request. To request files into the TRE, go to portal.ukllc.ukserp.ac.uk and click New File in Request. Enter the details just as with the file out example and submit it for review. You can retrieve file in request within SERP from the data transfer in-out page by selecting Retrieve Files In.